Good Monday, everyone. Looking at our USA mortgage level of concern, we're still at level 0. We have no weather worries to think about today, so enjoy the day. Look at our Clearview Closet and Blind 5-day forecast. Partly to mostly sunny skies for our Monday, highs in the low 80s. And then for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, clouds and sun will share the sky, and there will be a slight chance for a shower. Rain chances are still at 20% for all 3 days for my forecast. I'm seeing that tropical system in the Carolinas, and I think it's going to drift far enough west to give us enough clouds that could produce some sprinkles or showers on the plateau any of those 3 days. Not all of us will see those, and they won't add up to very much at all. But I will say, just like I said yesterday, when we have these tropical systems to our east and they throw clouds back our way, it can make for some absolutely beautiful skies. So we'll be looking for that for the next few days as well. Friday, we're back to partly to mostly sunny and dry for everyone, it looks like, with highs once again around 80. So look at those temperatures, though. Very comfortable temperatures on our 5-day forecast. So at least we certainly do have that to look forward to. Premier Generators brings us our threat graphic, and I'm sure they're proud to say that they can sponsor a graphic that says no severe weather is expected this week. On this day in 1881, Iowa's earliest measurable snowfall of record fell over western portions of that state. 4 to 6 inches of snow fell, especially between Stewart and Avoca. Whew. 1988, Hurricane Gilbert moved ashore New Mexico. The hurricane established an all-time record for the Western Hemisphere with a barometric pressure reading of 26.13 inches. Winds approached 200 miles per hour with higher gusts. Absolutely devastated Jamaica and the Yucatan Peninsula. 2004, Hurricane Ivan turned northward over cooler waters and made landfall in southern Alabama as a Cat 3 storm. It had weakened down a bit, believe it or not. Hurricane Ivan had a very unusual track, almost making a full, huge circle. You just never know where those things are going to go. And Meteorologist Mark's meteorology for today is drought. We'll be talking about drought this week. And I bet you're thinking, nah, Mark, it's already dry. Well, there are some fascinating facts about drought. So you stick with me this week. You're going to learn something. Drought affects more people globally than any other natural disaster. And it's different because it doesn't make a grand entrance. You don't have hurricane watches or tornado watches or winter storm watches. I mean, it just a flash flood watches. It just kind of creeps in. It's called the creeping disaster, but it can certainly leave a trail of destruction. Drought has affected more people around the world in the past 4 decades than any other type of natural disaster. We'll talk about just how sneaky droughts can be in tomorrow's Meteorologist Mark's meteorology. You folks have a wonderful Monday. Keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.